The final of Miss Czech Republic.
Just frozen you touch the ground. Green pea soup to start.
And the feast continues.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Haching. Good morning in the morning. It's another beautiful day in Prague, Schmuck. And guys, I have a lot of news. Number one, my beard and my hair is growing just insanely quick. Number two, a couple of days ago, the final of Miss Czech Republic took place. And I was like, I'm gonna film the whole experience. I'm gonna take you with me. But then it was so freaking loud there. And I was also so in the moment, just wanted to support Mari at some point. My voice was gone. But I have a couple of clips and it was such a magical day. When I was laying in the hospital, I visualized May 7th, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna look like hummus. What does hummus look like? I'm gonna look super fresh and I'm gonna support Mari. That's what I did. And I'm just gonna share the experience and maybe do a voiceover because it was just too loud.
Hey guys, it's Mari and today I'll be doing the voiceover. So first of all, we have this sexy honka in this suit in nice little bathroom selfie here before the show starts. And then there is me walking down these stairs. Fun fact, I tripped on them during rehearsal and my shoe fell off, so that was fun. Here I am holding this guy's hand and Axel's about to freak out, haha. We look and then we walk. Here I am, walking. Look at the judges. Yes, here I go. And here comes the little pose. These things really freak me out. Did you see the air things? I almost tripped. There's another part of the show now. They gave me this light to hold and I was feeling like Star Wars Jedi thing. So that was interesting. And here is the announcement of which place I got. Miss Grand is the one I wanted because it's happening this year in Bali. So I was really hoping to get that. And 3, 2, 1. Here I go. I actually won it. So that was pretty much exciting. That means that this year Axel and I are returning to Bali in October, which also means that we're probably gonna stay there and never come back, but don't tell Axel, haha. Here I am greeting the family. It was so cute, the whole family came. We did it, guys, we're going back to Bali this year in October. All of my Bali friends, you can come and watch in Bali. Actually, the final's gonna be in Jakarta. Yay!
And there she is, Miss Hummus 2022 in her favorite Barbie outfit. Congratulations, baby! They just saw the final of the Miss. They just saw that you won.
You just saw that, guys. Hi,
Yeah.
how are you?
It's been a while. Also, Mari is wearing the best cap you've ever seen. This meeting, can you show it?
This meeting could have been an email, aka how I feel about going to the gym at this ungodly hour.
Ungodly hour, it's 10 a.m. Since you won, I have a little something for you.
Okay, now I'm scared.
Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it? Did you
We'll
want to
open
show
it.
me, please?
Also, look at my wrapping skills. Any idea what it is? Hint,
Pick.
it's not hummus. A what pick? Mare!
Oh, that would be a present.
She has no idea what it is. Another hint, it's not flight tickets to the Maldives.
Did you give me your birth certificate?
No. It's the results from my last CT scan saying that I don't have cancer anymore.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I
Yeah.
wish I understood it.
Yeah, don't try to read it. I also don't understand it.
It
in a
looked
secret
like
language.
your birth certificate. I was like, this is fucking
No birth
Wow, that's amazing. I can read something. Keine Wohnschwungurlegen.
Exactly.
Und
Enough.
jetzt ist Zeit für Gehen nach Malediven.
Yeah, I promised her, if you learn German in 1 year, I'm gonna take you to the Maldives because German is a really tough language to learn, but she's fluent, aren't you?
Not fluent, but I can definitely understand.
No, you
people.
can speak. I would say you are fluent, which means we're gonna go to the Maldives, but first of all, you won Miss Grand, the title.
Guys, I won
She
Miss
won
Grand,
it?
and 2 days later, they hacked my IG account because I think that the girls got a little bit scared. They saw some Czech girl rocking it, and they were like, oh fuck, so they tried to eliminate me, but we're not giving up. I'm not giving up. By the time this video goes up, I hope my IG will be back.
Yeah, or just follow me. Anyways,
yeah, we're going to Bali.
We're going to Bali. That's what I wanted to say. I want to focus on the good. You will get your account back. We already texted a whole Facebook, everyone. Gym time. Can you come a bit closer? Do I have hummus somewhere in my face?
No, you're good.
Do I have something on my face?
No,
Oh, Mare. What's blueberry on my nose?
Okay, focus on driving, yeah?
Yeah.
You know where you're going, yeah?
Yeah, both hands on the wheel, yeah.
Drop the ground, just want to see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
We just arrived at Mari's grandmother's home.
And now say it again. We just arrived at my... We just made it to my grandma. We're so excited. We're gonna go eat. Okay, bye. Green pea soup to start. Bon appetit.
Merci beaucoup.
Let's see the taste test.
Smetana.
Good. Yeah, smetana good. Green peas? You like the green peas?
Who doesn't like peas? Do one more time.
This is where I grew up, guys. In this teeny tiny kitchen.
Look at
That was
Miss
me.
Grand Czech Republic.
What a glow up.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
How cute.
Still so cute. Look at this. Her grandma made me vegan chicken, broccoli, soy chunks, rice, delicious. Her grandma just loves making food. Like mine did. She makes really good food.
Wow, wow, wow. But mine looks prettier, so let me show you mine. Wow.
Most is pretty. It's really pretty here.
Because I'm here right now, that's why. Sorry guys, I just had to put it out there.
Yeah, now you know where Mari got her humbleness from. Is that even the word, humbleness?
No, it is.
Also, I'm gonna make a video with Anesh.
Yes.
Eating like Anesh for one day, swapping diets, because she's eating like a... I can't even find a word for this.
It's actually normal food. I don't know what your problem is with
You
my food.
eat 6 apples for breakfast.
Yeah.
What do you think? An apple a
should
day
be
keeps the doctor away, you never want to see a doctor, huh?
That's how you build those gains, you know?
Yeah, and raw zucchini, so stay tuned for that.
Mari, can you get a shot, but a nice shot, okay?
Yeah.
Ask no more.
And the feast continues. Mari's grandma is just making the best food. We have seitan, nuggets, beans, broccoli, and whole grain pasta. And that's whole grain ketchup sauce, correct?
We should ketchup with stevia.
For the last 48 hours, I was food drunk. It was just Mari's grandmother just gave me food. And now I'm actually high on drugs. Not that I take drugs, but I just took drugs. So technically I just had a bone marrow puncture, and this stuff is really, really painful. So I asked for some, I mean, I know what the drug does. You are flying, you're really happy, you don't feel pain for a couple of hours. It's always funny. Maybe I'm gonna add some Instagram stories after that. This time it was even better than last time. I think last time I slept the whole time, but this time they just give me half of the dosage. Dosage? It was great. I felt a bit of pain, but it felt like a bit of pain. It's so funny to be high. We're gonna see each other in Austria. We're gonna go on a trip to Austria and then to Venice, Italy. So many things are planned. And then obviously in October, we're gonna go to Bali. The final of Miss Grand International will be on the 25th of October in Jakarta. And the preparation will be in Bali, so I will be in Bali. I'll make the best vlogs you've ever seen in your entire life. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's red, it's free, and if you don't hit it, then I won't go to Bali. How about that one? I'll see you in the next video. Ching ching, chang chao. Until next time, my friends. I love you.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs. Not that I take drugs, but I just took drugs.